G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, and on this video doing something a little bit different. We're going to do a bit of a spray along, so just come along while I paint this little job. So it's Mazda 46V, so it's a 3-layer candy. So if you've ever been curious how this colour's painted, we're about to get after it right now. So yeah, this is just the front bar and a little blend on the guard. So just a little blend. Doing the full front bar to fix all the stone chips and shit like that. So I'm going to wet on wet the bar, which is a G6, so it's basically a dark grey. Front guard, I'm not going to wet on wet that. I'm going to use a base coat variation of the G6, and I'm going to get some colour on it and get it knocked out. So let's get into it. Alright, so we are prep sold, blown off, tack ragged, ready to put wet and wet on the bar. So let's get stuck straight into it and get this job done. Alright, so wet on wet is on. I've left this corner so I can attempt to leave colour off the edge of that. That's the plan anyway, but I'll probably end up just colouring it edge to edge, to be honest. So it's already starting to flash off. I normally let it sit for about 15 minutes before I put base on it. Decided to go ahead and hit the guard with a little bit because there's a couple of rub throughs to bare metal, and I don't really want to be putting waterborne base coat over that. So yeah, I just decided to cover it. So I'll let it sit about another 5 minutes and then we'll get stuck in. Alright, so the base is all down, so if you're not a painter or you've never seen it before, in PPG Envirobase anyway, it's like a rose gold base that goes down first before the tinted clear. So yeah, it sort of looks strange painting this colour, but that's a process. So I've flicked it through here. The back of the guard, I've put a wet bed down, a coat of 490, just to help fill in any scratches that may be there, but I'll let this dry right out now, and then we'll mix up the tinted clear and we'll get that on. Alright, so now we're ready for the tinted clear. So you just saw me mix it up, putting it through the SATA 5500. So yeah, 2 coats of this, then we'll bake it for 15. When it's finished baking, then we'll put another 2 coats of just pure clear on it. So let's get it done. Alright, so third and final coat of the tinted clear. Then we're going to bake it for 15 minutes. Then we're going to come back in and shoot another 2 coats of clear over it. And the job will be done. So let's get this done because it's coming up towards home time and I want to get the fuck out of here. So we've finished the bake cycle, 15 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and put 2 coats of normal clear over the top, because what would happen if I didn't do that, the sun will actually fade this, and you know, if there's bits of shit in it, you know, dust, I don't rub those out either, I leave them in. So this guard, I've got some here just there, so I leave them in, I don't rub it, because what happens is, because it's tinted clear, you start to rub those out, you're actually removing the red candy out of the clear as well. And I've done it once before and it was an absolute disaster, so I don't do it anymore. I just clear straight over it, and they either get buried or they're that minute by the time I'm finished. You know, it's just a simple 3000 and polish, or you know, 2500 and polish, whatever. So yeah, let's get into it, get it finished up. bit of colour check. Alright, beautiful. I'm happy with that. Job done. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this sort of video. I can do more. I mean, I can probably do 7 or 8 a week, realistically. If you didn't like it, let me know and I won't fucking bother doing it anymore. Simple as that. So yeah, till the next one, I'll see you then. I should have a few more videos coming out soon on my stuff, so you know, more cooler cars than a Mazda. But anyway, yeah, that's all for today. So I'll see you in the next one, guys.